welcome to Tony's Take. Today I will be unboxing and reviewing the Remington Rapid Cut Turbo hair clippers. I did a bit of research on this. I shave my head currently since COVID-19 lockdowns. I wanted something that was easy, and this one came up as one of the best for, I guess, the do-it-yourself hair clipping. So let's take a look what comes with the box. So it's not your typical hair clipper design, but it is designed so it fits in your hand quite easily. You get a nice bag, and there are 12 comb guides that range from 1.5 millimeters all the way up to 25 millimeters. So the first thing you might notice is that the width of the guard and the clipper blade will certainly make this job much quicker than your traditional clipper. A couple of other things, of course, you get a brush, which is great for cleaning out the blade after use, and some oil, which from what I've read is super important in keeping the clippers performing, keeping it oiled. It's got a lithium-ion battery which supposedly gives you 70 minutes of cordless running time. So I'll obviously test that out. I think my head will probably take 5 to 10, so I should get a couple of cuts out of one charge. Obviously there's the instructions, should be pretty straightforward, and that's what you get in the box. To the clippers, 12 guards, the oil, and the comb to clean it out, and the nice pouch or bag to make it easy to take with you when you go away. Alright, let's give it a whirl. One of the things that's worth mentioning is when I read the specs, I thought the fact it's 1.5 mil, I assume that meant a 1 when you go to the barber and you ask for a 1, and that's how I do my hair. And I put a question in on the Amazon shop to see if that means that it doesn't do a 1, and thankfully someone replied before I put the 1.5 guard on that they have their numbers as well as in what number guard it is. So this is the 1.5, which I was going to use, which is actually a 0. So I nearly shaved all my hair off. So the good news is it does come with a 1, which in actual fact is the 3 millimeter, which you can see the 1 there. So it does pretty much everything to bald, and also your standard 1, 2s, 3s, 4s. So worth noting. Alright, so pretty straightforward. Guard, clippers, got a little clips in there. The on button is just at the back. Alright. Double check I've got number 1. Alright, let's give it a shot. My hair's at about a number 2 at the moment. I'm going to time it as well. Let's see how long this takes. Obviously it should be pretty quick because there's not much hair on there already. Certainly very easy to hold. And it does, in one motion, it actually covers a lot of your head space. They are so much better than my old corded wire clippers, I can tell you that right now. It's effortless. .3 minutes, basically 3 minutes. Awesome job. So easy. So easy. So if you're shaving your own head like me, do yourself a favour, buy these. Alright, thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the review, please like and subscribe for more reviews and Tony's takes. Cheers. Yeah.